Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chicor. So today guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Manchester, which is ito guys, kung makikita nyo is yung Trafford Center. Isa ito guys sa biggest shopping center here in Manchester or here in United Kingdom. So ayun guys, today, and please join us and samahan ninyo ako. May mga kasama ako guys, so later, kasama ko rin sila sa loob at saka yung isa syempre. So ayan guys, papasok na kami. Kasama ko si Kirsty. Siya kanina yung nag-video sa akin sa aking intro. So ayan guys, super lucky ito and marami tayong mapuntahan dito. So I will see kung saan kami makakarating kasi baka maubos yung isang araw guys. So we still here in front of this shopping center. Ayan guys, meron ditong fountain in front and that one is upside down house. Ayan o, if you can see guys, ayan na din the color. This color like pink like that. So we will have a look here. Ano to, free entrance? May entrance siya. So this is called, ayan, upside down house. So ayan yung mga price list niya. Pero at the moment guys is temporary close. Maybe because of, you know, hindi pa siya, baka ano, may something wrong or baka syempre di ba may COVID pa tayo guys. So ikot tayo dito sa likod. Marami, as in marami dito pa lang sa labas guys. Mapuno na yung mata mo. So ayan siya guys, yung upside down house. Punta naman tayo doon guys sa kabila. So maraming tao. Maraming tao kasi today is Saturday. So ayan. So after ko kumuha ng test today is dito kami pumunta. So honestly, this is my second time na pumunta dito sa sa Trafford Center. Ayan. Ito yung itsura ng labas. Yan, nakita nyo naman kanina guys sa intro ko. Nako po, tinitingnan ako ng mga tao. Laking lion, pero kamarami siya. Isa, tapos meron doon sa dulo, dalawa sa baba, and then yung fountain dito sa labas. So, ayan, pasok na tayo loob. Alam nyo guys, meron doon na parang hotel siya. Ayan, pasok tayo. Tagal naman.
Patience is the virtue.
Kaya nga eh. Mag 1 minute na oh. Inaabangan ko guys yung fountain kasi ito is bigla siyang aakyat. Ayan. Ayan na ata. Kailangan matimingan.
Pinasa ka lang dito.
Pinaasa lang ako guys. Ay, ayaw naman. Ala? Naudlot. Oops. Ay, ang tagal. 1 minute na. Ah, bubuelo na siya oh. Ay, ayan guys. Ayan, may isa pa guys. That's the first one. And then, yun. O, diba? Yan lang. Twice lang siya. Ay, meron pa. Nilalaro ako ng fountain. Hindi namin alam kung saan sila pumunta.
Sa Trigo.
So, ito guys, yung aking ito yung aking guide. Si Kirsty. Ang daming tao guys, grabe. Akala mo tingnan mo hindi ako nagmamas kasi dito sa amin sa UK, di ba? Oo, pwede nang gumala or pumasok sa mall na hindi ka nakamask. Na naaprubahan na ng gobyerno. Pero mainit kasi kaya hindi ako nagmask. Pero kanina nagmamas ako kaya mainit, daming tao. Parang normal. Ay, dito na kami. Ayan, dito na kami guys. Ayan na. Diyan na yung mag-ate. Hi! Hello! What's up? Ganda.
No, birthday ni mo.
Oh. So, wait kami guys. Ano yun hinihintay nyo yung
Signing.
Ah, okay. Okay na yung shoes ni Chloe?
Oh.
Nakasya na. Ayan, sana yung mga... Ayan guys, so...
Hi.
Balik na kami yan, Chloe. Ayan, you say something. She have a phone as well. So, we're going home na.
Yeah.
So, we're done. Kumain na kami. We eat. And then Chloe finished her shopping. Yeah. No, I'm joking. She changed her her shoes. Because the other one is bigger.
No, it's smaller.
Smaller. So they changed into a bigger one. Size 5.
Wait, no, size 4.5.
Size 4.5. The other one is bigger.
The old one was 3.
Ah,
The other one was 4.5.
right.
I just remember.
Yeah. So I don't know where we are. Where are we now?
We're lost.
We're lost now.
This is hell.
Yeah. It's a huge shopping center.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been there. You know that fountain.
Yeah.
So ayun guys, we're going out now and I hope I can film some more because honestly the battery of my phone is nearly going dead na. So it's been a long day for us. It's really good. Yeah. It's really good because we enjoyed as well as long as we enjoyed. And I'm done my test today. So that's the last one, which is IELTS, English test.
Yay!
Yay! Is this right? Oh yeah, we've been here before, John Lewis. Maghahanap kami ng makeup. Ano ba yung hanapin mo? Lipstick? Bili ka ng maganda yung kulay mo. Siya lang. Bili na. Michael Kors. Ayan.
Next month na lang.
Oh, next month because summer is, you know, nearly finished.
Maybe next week.
Ayan, Prada. Wow. Magkano ang price?
284.
Wow, pwede. Afford. Ayan, you try it. Try. Oh, hindi pwede kasi
Yung
may COVID.
ilong ko, G.
Hindi pwede ata.
Pwede naman pero ilagay dito after.
Okay. Let me have a look.
But I don't think it's good. Oh my God, I like it.
Ay! Ala, bagay sa'yo.
$55.
Look at this. One moment.
Oh my God.
Gusto ko bumili ng shades, guys. Kaso nga lang,
You buy?
no, it's 200. Gusto ko it's a birthday present. So, balikan natin.
Sa credit.
Malay mo baka mag-sale sila. Ay, gusto ko rin kasi mag-alis pa naman kami. Wala bang dyan, medyo mura? Ang mahal. Ayan, Emporio Armani. Pero gusto ko yung sinukat mo.
But you still make me wear things that I don't want to wear. What is like from? Some dresses. Yeah, but we just want that tomboy clothes. Yeah, but what is this? This is not tomboy. What do you mean?
Nagki-crave ako, guys, na milk tea. Kaso nga lang, wala kaming madaanan kasi gabi na at sarado na. So, ayan, lalabas kami ngayon na. Yan, pauwi na kami, guys. Oh. Palabas na kami ngayon. Wala naman kaming nabili. Alam, maulan. Maulan. It's raining. Tap yung bata sa likod. Tired na daw siya. Gusto niya na daw ng bed. Oo.
I got a tired legs.
Kami din tired na yung legs namin.
Pinakain kasi ako ni Gigi.
Nako, healthy yung pinakain ko sa kanya kasi guys hindi ko maubos yung aking food. Sayang. Sayang ang sintimo doon.
Kumain na ako.
Dito na kami sa loob ng car. So on the way home na mga pagod. Ayan. Thanks Hyde for today. Ayan. It helps a lot. Ayan guys. She's tired. Oh, Chloe. Kirsty is behind me. Hindi lang siya makita.
Pag-cute, pag-glow.
kami sa Cledero. Ayan, paliko na at dito na yung street ko. Ayan guys, so it's been a long day for us. Nakakapagod mag-shopping. Mag-shopping, wala akong shinapping. Pero at least natapos yung exam ko. Guys, yan. So, ayan, it's time to say bye na sa inyo guys. Thank you so much for all, you know, yung nag-watch ng aking video for today. Ayan, thank you very much guys. Ayan. Ayan, thanks Chloe. Bye, and Kirsty behind me. Ayan, bye. See you on my next video. Bye.